Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Sheet Metal Box Cover lesson. In the Power Supply assembly, click on Insert Components, New Part, and click in the assembly's front plane. Change to a front view. Draw the sketch profile. And add the geometric relations indicated. From the Sheet Metal tab, select Base Flange. Set the sheet metal parameters. And make the end condition up to surface in both directions. Click OK to continue. Hide the electronics, fan, and power connector for visibility. Select the face indicated. Add a sketch. Draw and dimension the profile. And select Jog from the Sheet Metal tab. Select the jog's fixed face. Set the jog parameters. And click OK. Select Jog from the Sheet Metal tab. Click to locate the sketch in the opposite side. And repeat the same sketch profile. Exit the sketch when finished. Select the jog's fixed face. Set the parameters and click OK. Click on Assembly Transparency and select Opaque. Select the new part and review the assembly to identify interferences. Click in Assembly Transparency and select Force Transparency. Change to a right view, add a sketch, draw the profile and dimension as indicated. Add a construction line. Make a sketch mirror. and make an extruded cut using the through all end condition. Change to a top view, add a new sketch in the top face, and draw 4 circles referencing the box bottom holes indicated. Make the circles equal and add a dimension. Make an extruded cut using the link to thickness option and click OK to finish. Change to a right view, select the right face, add a new sketch, draw and dimension a slot, dimension the slot's location, and make a cut using the through all end condition. Make a linear pattern, select the direction, spacing, and number of copies, and click OK to finish. From the Sheet Metal tab, click on Corners, Break Corners, set the parameters, select the faces indicated, and click OK. Turn off the Edit Component command, rename the new part as Box Cover, right-click and select Save Part. Click OK to finish. Select the box cover part and open it. Click in the Flatten command to view the flat pattern and turn it off to fold it again. Return to the assembly and show the electronics, fan and power port connector components. Save the assembly to finish.